तुम्हारी के कितने बॉयफ्रेंड हैं और हम बाय तो छोड़ो आज तो किसी को हाय तक नहीं कहें।
ये बताओ कब तक सिंगल है ही रहोगी? अब तो लौंडेबाजी कर लो।
हमें कहाँ ये सब चलाना आता है।
अरे मैं मिस्टर सब संभाल लेगी।
जवानी में जब कलियां हैं तो उन्हें महकना पड़ता है।
So today I have with me a very beautiful and talented actress Neha Sharma, and she has come with her film Aafat-e-Ishq on ZEE5, and this film is an adaptation of a successful Hungarian film Lisa the Foxy Fairy. The film is a drug dramedy with a supernatural elements and a whodunit twist. So welcome Neha to NRI Pulse.
Thank you, Namita, for having me.
So to be really honest, this is a very unique genre, like drug dramedy. I've heard this for the first time. So tell us something about this genre and your role in the movie.
So first of all, I will like to clarify this because every time they ask me, so what is this film, like what is the genre?
Yeah.
And you try to define it into like a genre which kind of fits the film, but I think it's really not. I don't think our film can be put into any genre because let me tell you about the film first. It's a simple human story of this girl who turns 30 and she wants to find love and she wants to find companionship, and that's it. I mean, every girl on this planet wants to find love and wants to find companionship. At least most of us do.
Exactly.
So I feel it's the story of Lallo.
ये ढूंढ रही है एक गुलफाम।
मखनों में आइए, लखनऊ का स्वाद पाइए, आपके भाइयों और उनके बहनों को भी लाइए।
मैं तुम्हें सरला कहूंगा, तुम्हें बुरा तो नहीं लगेगा ना?
परवाना गाए गाना है इश्क या जुर्माना, होता है उसका कबाड़ा जिसने दिल ये छाड़ा। जिस मिली ये फितरत है, गिरी बड़ी सी किस्मत है, रोमियो तेरा बंटा धार जब चढ़ता है चढ़ता।
Right. And in this journey that she goes on, there is a supernatural element because we talk about a character called Pishach in the film, which I feel like is someone who kind of feeds onto your own insecurities, and that's what we show through the film. So there is a hint of supernatural in the film, but I'm not going to box this film in a genre because it's a unique film and it's a film that is true to its own genre. So I feel like please don't expect it to be like a
horror movie
film or genre.
A horror movie.
Yeah,
Okay.
It's not that. It's not that. Please watch it for what it is. Give it a fair chance.
हमें तो लगता है कि तुम्हारे ऊपर कोई भूत प्रेत का साया चढ़ गया।
लोमड़ी है लोमड़ी, किस्मत आपा की जायदाद पे नजर थी उसकी।
बड़ी सीधी है बेचारी।
3 हफ्ते और 3 लोग स्वर्गवासी।
हमने कुछ नहीं किया आंटी जी।
आंटी जी
So it's already on ZEE5,
Yes.
and I didn't get a chance to see it, but definitely I will. So is there any relation to Halloween? I mean, the other day I was talking to Deepuk's director, and he said why we are releasing on 29th because it's Halloween weekend. So did you have that thing in mind?
No, I feel we didn't have that connect. But of course, there is the element of supernatural, and we have characters dressed up in a particular way in the film. And you know how it is for Halloween, you try to look like someone. So there is Atma Ram, who is a singer like Kishore Kumar, maybe. So you see him in all those flashy colors and all. If you must have noticed in the promo, I don't know if you did. So he's in this fuchsia shirt bit. Lallo is in like a very two braid, simple churidar look through the film, which is her look.
पता है तुम्हारी के कितने बॉयफ्रेंड हैं और हम बाय तो छोड़ो आज तो किसी को हाय तक नहीं कहें।
ये बताओ कब तक सिंगल है ही रहोगी? अब तो लौंडेबाजी कर लो।
So I feel all that, like dress up, could be like a thing for Halloween and the element of supernatural. But apart from that, no, not really.
So it's an adaptation of an Hungarian film, and when I was researching about you and the movie, so I saw the trailer of that movie as well. So how much is it like an adaptation? The percentage of adaptation, how much is it?
So it's not a remake because if it was a remake, it was a frame to frame. It would be a frame to frame copy. This is an adaptation. So of course, the idea, the concept is of the film where probably the protagonist turns 30. Of course, let me clarify: we actors were requested to not watch the original film because since it was an adaptation, Indrajit set it up in Lucknow, in a bungalow where Lallo lives with the Bahuji's character, and it's set up in Lucknow, so the lingo is from there. Everybody speaks like that. The whole milieu is different. It's a story based in India, so it's very Indian.
आइए लखनऊ का स्वाद पाइए, आपके भाइयों और उनके बहनों को भी लाइए।
मैं तुम्हें सरला कहूंगा, तुम्हें बुरा तो नहीं लगेगा ना?
परवाना गाए गाना है इश्क या जुर्माना, होता है उसका कबाड़ा जिसने दिल ये छाड़ा। जिसके लिए ये फितरत है, गिरी बड़ी सी किस्मत है, रोमियो तेरा बंटा धार जब चढ़ता है चढ़ता।
So it's really very different from Hungry from those times, and when that was again a period film, so it was set up in a very different era. It's got that vibe. So except for the plot line, I believe everything else is different. So it's an adaptation and not a remake, really.
Okay, yeah, because the Hungarian movie in itself was, quite interesting, and I would like to watch that too. But definitely, I'll watch Aafate Ishq first.
I mean, they are both very different, so you can, watch both because that one is different. Like it's a different world. This is a different world. Of course, the storyline is the same. You can watch both, but I would request you to watch Aafate first.
Yeah, definitely.
हमारे लिए
किसी लड़की को इतने करीब से देखा है
तो मिल लिए लल्लू से, यही है इस किस्से की नायिका। आफते इश्क में रोता है क्या, आगे आगे देखिए होता है क्या।
कुछ तो बहुत बड़ा खेल खेल रही हो तुम देवी जी।
उड़े बाप रे बाप।
So you are in the middle of the movie. You are the center character, and you are working with all these polished actors like Deepak Dobriyal, Ila Arun, and Amit Sial and Namit Das. So how was your experience working with all these talented, bunch of actors?
First of all, I'm very grateful. I have immense gratitude that I got to share screen space with actors of this caliber, this potential, because it's rare to find such talented bunch in one film. So kudos to the casting director, Kunal, who put everybody together in one film. So that of course goes to him, and Indrajit and Z, who kind of put us all together. Of course, for me, there was it was a privilege because I was getting to act with all these people. So acting is also a lot about reacting. So for all my reactions, it was super easy because I had all these fabulous actors to react to, and oh my God, I'm in awe of all of them. I'm a huge fan of Laji and Deepak because I've loved them in so many films, and for finally to be working with them, it was just such an honor.
जवानी में जब कलियां हैं तो उन्हें महकना पड़ता है। ये ढूंढ रही है एक गुलफाम।
And of course, Namit, he's a buddy now, and Amit, we all got along very well. But of course, I know that they are really good actors as well.
So I'm Namita, and he's Namit.
Namit,
so just put an A.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell Namit. I was chatting with Namita today.
Yeah. So, who done it? For the first time, I've heard this word. This who done it is a word actually. It's and the meaning is same. Who done it? So who done it?
I can't tell you who done it because you got to watch the film for who done it, and that's the fun part. I mean, you don't know till the end, till you watch the climax. So you have to watch the whole film to know.
कुछ तो बहुत बड़ा खेल खेल रही हो तुम।
तो मिल लिए लल्लू से, यही है इस किस्से की नायिका। आफते इश्क में रोता है क्या, आगे आगे देखिए होता है क्या।
कुछ तो बहुत बड़ा खेल खेल रही हो तुम।
So everybody who's coming closer to you is either getting killed or it's getting killed, right?
Yeah. They're all getting killed. There's something
Who's done it?
happening.
You're not going to tell me.
No,
Okay, so
I'm
is it related to something supernatural or some mystery or some revenge? You can tell me like how
Hey,
you know.
there is an element of supernatural in the film, which you must have seen when you must be watching the promo. There is an element of supernatural. But how these things happen and why these things happen, if you want to really know, you gotta watch the film.
Okay, and why people should watch your movie?
Why not? Because it's a fabulous film, guys. It's very entertaining, for one. I feel like I was laughing throughout when I was watching it. I know there's an element of supernatural, but it's not a horror film. It's like a fun, it's got a fun supernatural element, which you probably kind of gauge from the trailer, or maybe not. I don't know.
Yeah.
But it's a fun film. It's really not a scary, spooky kind of film. There are thrill elements, which is also a lot of fun. So you feel confused, like you feel like laughing, and you feel scared, and you feel empathetic towards Lallo, and you feel her story. Because I said, end of the day, it's a human story. It's Lallo's story of finding love and companionship. So I feel like watch it, because I feel you will love this journey of this girl called Lallo.
Thank you so much, Neha, and all the best for all your future projects.
Thank
and
you.
after
Have a
this.
good one. Have a good one. Thank you.
Okay, come to Atlanta and meet me.
Yes.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
किस्से की नायिका आफते इश्क में रोता है क्या, आगे आगे देखिए होता है क्या।
कुछ तो बहुत बड़ा खेल खेल रही हो तुम।
अरे बाप रे बाप।